CEO of the Fijian group of companies. On behalf of the Honorable Minister, I welcome you all this morning. We thank you for available time during these trying times.
Distinguished guests, members of the media, the conservator of forest, CEO of the Pine Group, also the director representing Boa and Maduata Forest, ladies and gentlemen. Nisa Bulabinaka, and a very good morning to you all. In life, everyone has their own daily battles, and that is to make ends meet. With the impacts of COVID-19, coupled with tropical cyclone Harold, which struck Fiji in April of this year, and last week, we witnessed the wrath of super tropical cyclone Yasa. Fijians continue to fight their daily battles now more than ever with resiliency and hard work. We have a day in front of us to herald in the new year, and with it comes a new dawn and a new beginning with the Ministry of Forestry, taking some decisive steps to reignite the economy. For the first time in Fiji's history, government has managed to secure not one, but 4 shipments of wood chips to China. This is after a lapse of 4 years. During this time of substantial business downturn, the ministry is doing all it can to rejuvenate the forestry sector. Landowners, sawmillers, those employed in the sector, and other forestry stakeholders, we all have a part to play to increase the forestry sector's contribution to our economy. While the news of wood chips shipments may be music to our ears, it requires us, forestry stakeholders, to put our differences aside and work together in building back better and stronger. There is a popular saying, and I quote, there are 3 types of people in the world. Those who make things happen. Second, those who watch things happen. And third, those who wonder what had happened. I encourage us as forestry stakeholders not to be too complacent in watching and wondering when things happen. Instead, we should make things happen. Fiji needs us now more than ever. With these few words, I seek your endless support, and I take this time to wish you all a happy new year. Pinakabolebu, and thank you, and God bless you.
While certain aspects of what I'm going to say, Director Tanda, our fellow sawmillers from Vanuatu, the ministry, our colleagues from the ministry, DFTB. And the only thing certain about COVID-19 is the uncertainty. Fine industry is driving economic integrity together with other industries. Our traditional wood chip buyer have been Japan since 1987.
To 5 boats, which is equivalent to 65,000 tons. That is also the government commitment.
kapisa sa timur.